Transposition to D major. Let's check on the notes for the 5 finger positions in D major. D, E, F sharp, G, A. And I would like you to explore and practice with 3 different tempos. First, slow speed. Next, medium speed. And lastly, fast speed. First, slow speed. Imagine of the snail speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, donkey speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lastly, fast speed. Cheetah speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enjoy learning. Find this video useful? Try our full book and revolutionize your piano practice altogether. No more long hours of boring finger draw exercises, but just a carefully planned 10 minutes each day. How much more fun and effective your practice will be if you just try this book. Still not convinced? It's okay. Get your free worksheet first and see the improvement for yourself. Here is a practice video for you. Are you ready? Let's go!